In this video, we've handpicked 30 tools that are perfect for small gardens. We didn't just choose them randomly. Each one was selected based on how easy it is to use, how well it performs in tight spaces, and how much it actually helps with everyday gardening tasks. We focused on tools that save you time, reduce strain, and make your gardening experience more enjoyable. These tools are practical, reliable, and will help you get the best results with less effort. Stick around, because these picks are sure to make your gardening easier and more efficient. Starts at number 30, we've got the Thumb Picker Silicone Thumb Cutter Separator. If you've ever struggled to harvest delicate fruits like tomatoes or strawberries without damaging them, this is your new best friend. It's a simple silicone thumb protector that slides onto your thumb and keeps both your fingers and your produce safe. It's especially great for small gardens where every plant matters and you want to make sure nothing gets bruised or damaged during harvesting. Coming in at number 29, the Jump High 10-piece gardening tools set. This set is perfect for anyone with a small garden because it gives you all the essentials in one neat package. You've got your trowel, weeder, gloves, and pruners all packed into a handy tote bag. It's lightweight, easy to use, and keeps everything organized. If you're short on space and want something convenient that covers all the basics, this set will make your gardening tasks a lot easier. At number 28, we have the Earthwise TC716 16-inch 13.5 amp corded electric tiller. If you need to prepare the soil in your small garden but don't want to deal with the mess and noise of a gas-powered tiller, this one is ideal. It's electric, so it's much quieter, and its 16-inch width lets you break up the soil without taking up too much space. It's strong enough to handle compacted soil or weeds, and you can adjust the depth to suit your needs. Perfect for those with a small garden who want something powerful but easy to use. Number 27 is the Sunjoe Electric Garden Tiller Cultivator. This tool is super practical for small garden beds. It's got a 12-amp motor that's perfect for loosening up the soil, removing weeds, or just preparing the ground before planting. It's quieter and cleaner than gas-powered tillers, so you won't have to worry about loud noise or fumes. If you have a small garden and need a tool that's easy to use and efficient, this is a solid choice. Next up at number 26, the 8-amp corded 10 Cultivator Chew Tiller. This tiller is a great option for tight spaces and small garden beds. It's got a compact 10-inch width that makes it easy to maneuver around and get into those tricky spots. Whether you're breaking up the soil or digging out weeds, it'll help you do the job quickly and efficiently. Plus, it's super lightweight, so you won't tire yourself out too fast. It's perfect for smaller gardens or raised beds where a big, bulky tiller just won't fit. Number 25 is the Black Decker LGC120 20V Max Lithium Garden Cultivator. This tool is great for small gardens because it's light, cordless, and easy to maneuver. The lithium battery gives you plenty of power for loosening soil or removing light weeds, and since it's cordless, you won't have to worry about getting tangled in cords while you work. It's also quieter than gas-powered tools, which is a nice perk if you're trying to keep the noise down in your garden. For small, simple tasks, this one's a real time saver. Coming in at number 24 is the Black Decker LGC120B 20V Max Garden Cultivator Bare Tool. If you already have a Black Decker battery system, this is a smart, cost-effective option. It's the same great cultivator, but without the battery or charger, so you can save money by using your existing setup. It's lightweight and perfect for breaking up soil in small garden beds, flower pots, or raised boxes. This one's all about efficiency without the extra bulk or cost of an additional battery. At number 23, we have the Fiskars Soft Touch Garden Tool 3-piece set. This set is perfect if you're looking for comfort and practicality. It includes a hand trowel, a transplanter, and a weeder, all designed with soft, ergonomic handles that reduce strain on your hands. These tools are lightweight, but sturdy, and they're ideal for digging, planting, and weeding in smaller garden spaces. If you're someone who likes to garden for long stretches, these tools are comfortable enough to keep you working without feeling sore. Number 22 brings us the Jump High 10-piece gardening tools, set with a PU bag. Another great option for small gardens. This set has all the essentials, like a weeder, pruners, and gloves, and packs them into a convenient, easy-to-carry bag. The tools are lightweight but well-built, so they'll help you take care of everything from digging to trimming without taking up much space. The compact bag keeps everything organized, which is perfect when you're working in a smaller garden and need to stay efficient. At number 21, we have the Fiskars Solid Trowel. If there's one tool you need in a small garden, it's a solid trowel, and this one by Fiskars does the job perfectly. Its rust-resistant hardened steel blade makes digging, scooping, and planting a lot easier. The ergonomic handle helps reduce hand strain, and it's the perfect size for smaller garden beds or container gardens. Whether you're planting flowers or digging out weeds, this trowel is both strong and comfortable to use. Number 20 is the Corona Bypass Pruner. If you've got plants that need regular trimming, these pruners will become a staple in your garden. Toolkit. The bypass design ensures that you get a clean cut every time, which is essential for promoting healthy growth in your plants. They're also ergonomic, so you won't strain your hands or wrists even during extended pruning sessions. Whether you're trimming branches, deadheading flowers, or shaping your plants, these pruners are precise and easy to use. And finally, at number 19, we have the Plant Garden Mini Tools Gardening Spade. This small, compact spade is perfect for getting into tight spots in your garden where larger tools just won't fit. Whether you're working in raised beds or small containers, it makes digging and planting a lot more manageable. The narrow blade is sharp, making it easy to break up soil or transplant small plants. If you need something small but effective for those detailed tasks, this gardening spade is a must-have. At number 18, we have the Gardener's Blue Ribbon 42-inch telescoping handle pruner. If you need to reach those hard-to-get-to branches or trim tall plants, this pruner is a great choice. The telescoping handle extends up to 42 inches, giving you the extra reach you need without having to use a ladder. It's perfect for cutting higher branches or even for those taller garden beds. The pruner's sharp bypass cutting action ensures you get clean cuts, which is key for maintaining plant health. Number 17 is the Felco F2 Classic Manual Hand Pruner. If you're looking for a high-quality pruner that lasts, this is it. It's built to last with a forged aluminum handle and a precision-ground steel blade, which makes cutting branches and stems effortless. Even though it's built tough, it's also lightweight, so you won't tire out quickly. This pruner's perfect for everything from pruning roses to cutting back bushes in a small garden, and it's comfortable enough to use for long gardening sessions. At number 16, we've got the DeWitt Hand Hoe. If you're working in tight spaces, this hand hoe is a real game changer. It's small but mighty, allowing you to get in between plants and easily remove weeds or break up compacted soil. The sharp steel blade makes quick work of weeds, while the ergonomic wooden handle ensures you won't strain your hands or wrists. It's perfect for a small garden where you need precision and control. Number 15 is the Vremi Garden Kneeling Pad. Gardening can be tough on your knees, especially when you're working in small, confined spaces. This thick, cushioned kneeling pad helps protect your knees while you're planting, weeding, or pruning. It's portable and lightweight, so you can easily move it around as you work. Plus, it's made of durable foam, so it holds up well, even with frequent use. If you want to make your gardening sessions more comfortable, this pad is a must-have. At number 14, we have the Hori Hori Garden Knife. This Japanese-style gardening knife is one of the most versatile tools you'll ever own. It can do everything from cutting roots to digging, weeding, and even opening bags of soil. The sharp, serrated edge is perfect for cutting through tough soil or roots, and the flat edge makes it great for planting and digging. It's a great tool for anyone working in a small garden because it's compact, yet capable of handling a variety of tasks. Number 13 is the Gardener's Friend Digging Fork. If you need a tool that's easy to use for loosening up compact soil or digging in raised beds, this digging fork is perfect. Its 4 sharp tines make it great for breaking up tough soil, aerating garden beds, or even digging up small roots. It's light enough to handle with ease, but sturdy enough to handle the work. For anyone in a small garden, this fork will help get the job done quickly, saving you time and effort. At number 12, we have the Iris USA folding gardening stool with tool bag. This handy stool does double duty. It gives you a comfortable place to sit while you work in your garden, and it includes a built-in tool bag to keep everything organized. It's a great solution for small gardens where you don't have a lot of space for a separate tool bench. The stool's foldable design makes it easy to store, and the tool bag lets you carry everything you need in one spot, making it easy to grab and go. One number 11 is the Fiskars Soft Touch Weeder. Weeds are always a challenge, especially in smaller gardens, but this ergonomic weeder makes the task a lot easier. The long, narrow blade is perfect for getting underneath weeds and removing them at the root. The soft touch handle is designed for comfort, so you can dig and pull without straining your hands or wrists. Whether you're dealing with stubborn weeds or just doing routine garden maintenance, this weeder will help you keep your space neat and tidy. At number 10, we have the Gardener's Supply Company Garden Sickle. This tool is designed for cutting through tough grasses, weeds, or even small shrubs. Its curved blade allows for precise cutting, making it easy to trim unwanted growth without disturbing the rest of your plants. It's small but strong, making it perfect for small gardens where you might need to keep things under control. It's lightweight, comfortable to use, and ideal for getting into those tricky spots where a traditional tool might not fit. Number 9 is the Adjustable Garden Rake. This rake is a great option for small gardens because it's adjustable. You can change the width of the rake to suit your needs. Whether you're raking leaves, soil, or grass clippings, this rake makes it easy to handle the job with precision. It's lightweight and compact, so you can maneuver it around tight garden beds or narrow spaces. And it's great for keeping your garden tidy without having to bring out a large rake. At number 8, we have the Garden Weasel Cultivator. This unique tool is a great alternative to traditional tillers and works wonders in small gardens. The Garden Weasel has a set of spinning blades that aerate the soil, break up compacted dirt, and even help control weeds. It's perfect for raised beds or flower gardens where you need to keep the soil loose and healthy. It's lightweight, easy to use, and does the job without requiring gas or electricity. Just good old-fashioned manual work. Number 7 brings us the Planter's Pal gardening tool. This multi-tool combines a trowel, weeder, and hoe in one, making it a great choice for small garden spaces where you need efficiency. The compact design allows you to dig, plant, and weed all with the same tool, which is super convenient. Plus, the ergonomic handle helps reduce hand strain, and the durable materials ensure that it'll last for years. At number 6, we have the Fiskars Ergo D-Handle Shovel. This shovel is designed with ergonomics in mind, making it easier to dig without putting too much strain on your back. It's perfect for planting, digging, and moving soil in a small garden, and the D-handle makes it comfortable to grip from all angles. Whether you're digging holes for new plants or moving dirt around, this shovel makes the job a lot easier on your body. Number 5 is the Gilmore Flexigen Heavy Duty Garden Hose. Having the right hose can make a big difference when you're working in a small garden. This hose is durable, kink-resistant, and lightweight, so you can move it around easily without getting tangled. The flexible design makes it easy to store, and it's tough enough to handle everything from watering plants to cleaning your tools. It's a great investment for any small garden. At number 4, we have the Gardener's Blue Ribbon 12-inch hand hoe. This tool is a must-have for any gardener working in small spaces. The 12-inch blade makes it perfect for digging and weeding in tight areas like between plants in a flower bed or vegetable garden. It's small but mighty, and the sharp edge cuts through weeds and soil with ease. Whether you're cultivating or removing weeds, this hand hoe gets the job done quickly and efficiently. Number 3 is the folding pruning saw. If you need a compact tool for cutting small branches or shrubs, this pruning saw is a lifesaver. It folds up for easy storage and opens up to give you a sharp, serrated blade that can handle tougher cuts. Whether you're cutting back overgrown shrubs or trimming small trees in your small garden, this saw makes it quick and easy. At number 2, we have the Hory Hory knife. This is one of those tools you'll wonder how you ever lived without. It's incredibly versatile, ideal for digging, cutting, and weeding in small garden spaces. The sharp stainless steel blade can handle all sorts of tasks, from splitting roots to cutting through tough soil. It's compact enough to handle easily, and the wooden handle makes it comfortable to grip. And finally, at number 1, we have the Fiskars Garden Bucket Caddy. This is a genius tool for keeping your gardening essentials organized while you work. The bucket caddy fits over a standard 5-gallon bucket and has pockets to hold your tools, gloves, and even seeds. It keeps everything you need within arm's reach, so you don't have to keep running back to the shed. Whether you're weeding, planting, or harvesting, this caddy makes it easier to stay organized and efficient in your small garden.